everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. The central United States is bracing for several days of dangerous weather, with the meteorologists warning of the powerful thunderstorms, damaging winds, large hail and possible tornadoes across a vast region. Weather experts say the unstable pattern could last through next week, raising the possibility of a major severe weather outbreak. The reason behind this developing threat is a clash of the air masses. Warm, moisture-laden air flowing north from the Gulf of Mexico is colliding with the cooler air from the Pacific and the southern Canada. Combined with the strong winds high in the atmosphere, this setup is creating ideal conditions for the intense thunderstorms. The severe weather is expected stretching from the central Texas to the southern Indiana and western Kentucky. While a few tornadoes cannot be ruled out, the main dangers will likely be large hail, wind gusts reaching 60 to 70 miles per hour, strong thunderstorms capable of damaging property. Friday could bring the most dangerous weather of the week. Thunderstorms are expected to erupt from the central Texas to the southern Wisconsin, potentially affecting major metropolitan areas including Dallas, Oklahoma City and Kansas City. Forecasters say the strongest storm may form from the northern Texas to central Missouri, with the system possibly reaching Chicago by late Friday night. The severe weather threat is expected to continue into the weekend. Meteorologists warn that the conditions could become even more dangerous next week. A powerful storm system moving across the region may trigger a large severe weather outbreak, potentially producing multiple tornadoes and widespread storms through Wednesday night. Authorities are urging residents, schools and businesses to review severe weather safety plans, especially since many communities are just emerging from the winter season and may be out of practice responding to the storms. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.